There's the kilns. Big kiln there. That's what they look like going in, and they're soft. When they come out, they're hard. They got all this wood stacked up here. This is how they're firing up the kiln there to fire the clay bricks. They've got a couple of big fans up there. They're blowing the hot air through. Very, yeah, anyway. And they've got this, put this big metal structure up for their facility. There's their excavator over there, and there's the actual where they're mixing the clay up with water. And yeah, it's a big operation, right? That's that.
Hello, Daddy.
Bricks for the house. I made a picture. I look really rough because we drove down all night, no sleep. Ordered bricks, ordered steel, yeah, but crazy. Bricks are here. We haven't even been here we haven't even had a night's sleep yet, and we're ordering bricks. Can you see me in the picture?
Yeah. Ah! Probably not.
Christopher, look! Come here, quick! Whoa! Come here! Mommy? Where's Mommy in that camera? Look. Okay, now we've done it. 8,000 bricks. They're about they're like clay blocks. They're about the size of two bricks, two kind of regular metric bricks. On top of each other is the size of them, so go a bit faster. Yeah, kids are having fun. We've got the same amount, 2 truckloads the same size as that coming tomorrow in sand. That's the way you get a brick delivery out in the village in Laos. Yeah, that pile's gone down. These guys are really working hard for. solidarity, Christopher, for you all. Look at what we have to do for you. And when you're a big boy, Christopher, this is what your daddy had to do. Mummy and daddy working hard. Yeah. See your house when you're big boy. You can come down and stay down there. Bring your girlfriend here. Parties. Go back to your successful life in the city. Got plans for you, Christopher. Got plans for you, Christopher. Yeah. Turns out one excavator broken, couldn't get that one. The other one, he can't, his truck's broken, so he can't have that one. And so we've ended up having to do everything by hand, which is not easy, but that's the way it is. But this concrete here, I did this 5-6 years ago, and when I did it, I formed it up with plywood that I bought in a shop. No one told me it was the plywood was apparently a really cheaper low-grade version from Vietnam, and the minute water touches it, it just literally separates and falls apart. And so I put my concrete in, and lo and behold, about 15 minutes after putting concrete in, it all got wet and turned into cardboard and just fell in the hole. So I had to quickly repair it. So it was never, there's plenty of rebar in there, but it was never strong enough after that. But it lasted 5-6 years. But we couldn't put big trucks over it, so we tried to put a big truck over it, and it didn't work. So now we're going to span, I'm going to span over this one here, and then I'm going to span over this one. This one will be it'll be a bit slightly bigger, and we're going to come over this way about 1.5-2 meters that way, 2 meters that way, and then we're already 4 meters here, so that'll give us plenty of radius because it's a tight turn coming in. So that way we should be able to get anything in here, big trucks and tractors and excavators and all kinds of stuff. So access very important. Cigarettes. 7 o'clock in the morning, he's working away, look. Decided to put some more driveway material out the front here. We had you can see the height we've got to come up, it's got to follow this. I've laid some bricks out on the floor there. This is where we need to come, like that for now, so we can get good access to about here. Yeah, in a minute. You can see the aqueduct here. Got to get up somehow. We've got to be able to get in and out of the property easily. And so yeah, this is what we have to do. Good water, that's all I can say. Okay, here we are. We're going to cut
Yeah.
down a tree. Okay, the tree is down. The mighty